name is Monique. My surname is Portugal. I'm 18 years old. I'm a very kind person. I love singing songs. I love my family. I love my friends. I love my mom. She's the best mom in the whole world. I want someone to love me for what I am. And I love my kids. I love kids. I love dogs. I love dolphins. And I love singing songs. I love swimming. My favorite food is curry lentils. I love chocolates. My best friend's name is Melissa Hope. We call her Boca. And she's my best friend. I love her too much. She loves me also. And my favorite color is green, red, and blue. I love the three colors.